We take a pot of water and put it on the stove. Add a little bit of salt, and then bring it to a boil. So our water is boiling. Now let's drop in the dumplings. So the dumplings don't stick together. You need to stir them occasionally with a spoon. After the dumplings have boiled, we wait about 1.5 to 2 minutes and turn off the heat. On a plate, we place a piece of butter and dish out the dumplings onto it. And now our dumplings are ready. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.